Kalokohan lang ang lahat ng ito. Maya-maya ay magigising na ako.
Are you blind or something? You didn't see me?
Nagmamadali ako.
Aminin na natin, hindi ako bagay sa'yo.
Mr. James Park?
Ina-expect niya ako eh, sa PR agency namin.
Ayun siya, oh. The guy in yellow.
Malayo at malabo.
Who is Marcelino Buenaventura? Why are you looking for him?
It's none of your business. Your job is to find him, not to know about him.
May kilala ba kayong Marcelino Buenaventura?
Alam mo, wala na siya dito, matagal na.
Kilala mo siya?
Oo, kilala ko siya. Pero wala na siya dito eh.
Kala ko nakita ko na.
The van cannot room. Joy lives just very near here. We can stay there.
Great.
Imposible ay pwede. Ayoko nang isipin kung ano ang sasabihin nila. Basta't mahal kita. Imposible ay pwede. Hindi mananatiling panaginip ang lahat ng ito. Pag-ibig natin ay totoo. So please say you won't let go. Ang imposible ay pwede.
You're beautiful.
Di pala mahirap mahalin ng tulad mo.
We need to find Marcelino Buenaventura. The day after tomorrow, I will go back to Korea.
This is Mang Efren's house. The one that the woman from the municipal hall was telling me about.
My Korean lola, she fell in love with Marcelino when they were younger. But her parents didn't approve of it. I grew up with a fear of falling in love. Joy,